Anyway, I'm not sure. So you always put...
that is isopentane, and container is surrounded by liquid nitrogen, and will be isopentane will be left in a liquid nitrogen until it reaches minus 160 of Celsius.
How long does that take, typically?
A few seconds. By the time when you're ready.
Usually by the time you get everything divided up,
So you need
it drops down.
thermometer. We store isopentane in minus 70 freezer, so it gets there faster.
And you're measuring the pieces. And this one's like 1 by 0.5 centimeters. Really skinny.
We measure and we record it. If it's not recorded, it's not measured, right? It's not recorded, it hasn't been done.
Okay, and then these are crushed. We cut off the crushed
I can use that for my culture. I can put it in the...
Oh, no, we...
Will you use it?
Yeah, we have to use it for the light.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Since
sure.
you've taken so much.
Yeah. No, I'm
gonna have to take some of yours too.
That's fine.
Yeah, because that doesn't leave us much light.
That portion will go for formalin processing.
Take off your crushed in.
So what do you do with the formalin? You just evaporate?
Actually, it's not a formalin, it's a Bouing. And then we do H&E. And if he wants from there, we can do different stains. Turning green or
the
whatever.
dystrophin is, you can't do the dystrophin with the H&E sample.
Correct.
Like you need
And then we can do it on immunos.
for your EM.
The small portion goes for glutaraldehyde for EM processing. Yeah, they need about 2 millimeters.
Yeah, she's always yelling. Everybody would give her a big chunk. She said, "Are you EM? Oh, I just
Yep.
It doesn't get infiltrated, yeah. So what is that? You're just putting that in?
Bouing.
What do you mean by Bouing? How do
It's
you
a
spell
formalin
it?
plus picric acid.
B-O-U-I-N.
It's a formalin and picric acid. That's different
So
things.
160
It brightens
is what
fibers.
you want to get it, right?
We want to get to 160 or so. And isopentane is still
The liquid.
liquid. Bottom might be frozen and solid, but main portion.
No, really.
This one's for you.
So you hold it with your
Yeah,
clamp
for
and
30
your forceps.
30 seconds.
Uh, 15 seconds.
15.
They've changed that.
That's a minimum.
Turn that in
The
there.
sealed container will go to for storage in minus 70, minus 80.
So this does not have to be frozen at all, solid.
What?
That's weird, yeah.
Isopentane?
Yeah.
No, it has to get to the temperature. It's
And
still,
it's just keeping the temperature 160.
that's just making sure, yeah.
So that's maximum.
Sure.
That it goes.
Yeah. Eventually it'll get frozen, but for now we don't need it to be frozen.
Oh, you don't want it.
Now
That's
you're putting
Mounting?
rest of tissue will be,
so you freeze that
that's
first?
OCT, just to get it kind of gooey so we can orient muscle there.
Okay.
Just to make a whole orient muscle in transverse way
Stand it up.
so we can see section of fibers.
I have pointy forceps.
You're able to capture that close enough?
Should be. And that way we dip them in also 15-30 seconds into isopentane. For snap freezing. Container is just cooling. And then let me see how it's oriented. Okay, it's oriented that way that it would be useful to go on the chuck for a press start. There you go.
Thank you.
And now it goes into container to -70 freezer for storage. And that's Dr. Kimoni is going to see the freezer.
We're going to go look at the freezer.